Happy Valentine's Day to you all, and welcome to our Valentine's stream. Yeah. As you may or may not know, we have had a Valentine's themed Scrimba Challenge week this week. Yeah. And it's been romantic. It's been brilliant. And now we're here. We are here to solve some Valentine's challenges and, of course, select the winner. The winner.
Oh, yeah. That's good. Yeah.
Amazing. Oh, I have to remove these now.
Yeah, these are really hard to see through.
They kind of invert colours.
Yeah.
Which is amazing.
I mean, you can probably... there you are. Wow, that is quite hard to see, actually.
Kind of like night vision.
Yeah. Whoa.
Which is all very well, but it won't help us to code. No. So, let's have a look at who is here. Yin Chu was first at 3:13 p.m. Wow, waited nearly 2 hours.
Wow.
Amazing. Excited to see the results. Or, alternatively, excited to confirm that I haven't won anything. Or have you? We'll see. Amazing.
I feel like Yin is a glass half empty kind of guy.
Maybe he's a realist. Yeah. Or maybe not. Who knows?
Yeah.
Maybe he has one. Super cool to see you all here. Thank you for coming. Woo-hoo. Everyone. So,
wow.
This is a good question from Roger R. How do you choose the grand winner?
Yes.
Well, we select them at random. Yes, from all of the tweets throughout the week, sharing solutions. We think that's the fairest way because then people who are new to coding have the same amount of opportunity to win as those who have been coding for a while. But if a particular solution catches our eye, it can be selected for Solution of the Day. Yes, and here are some of them that we have selected throughout the week, and there are more to come. So keep an eye on the Challenge Week page and see whether yours becomes Solution of the Week. Yes. Ooh, I have just remembered 2 things. Thing number 1 I have remembered is that we now have music. What are you feeling like today, Michael?
Ooh, I don't know.
Daydreaming.
Yeah, why not daydreaming? Sounds good.
Let us know how this music goes. It can be hit and miss. And the other thing I remembered is this. If you are new here, please put a bunny rabbit into that chat right there. And if you've been before, hit us with that tiger.
Yes.
We don't use this information. It's just for fun. Yes. Amazing. So, Michael, you have been checking out the challenges throughout the week, I believe.
There are a couple of pics with my name on them.
There are.
Yeah.
These are the challenges so far. Was there one that caught your eye?
Yeah, romantic grammar corrector.
That was this one.
Yeah.
Yes. So the premise of the challenge is we have a Valentine's message with messed up grammar and we have to correct it.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I do love a bit of grammar.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay, well then we'll do this. I also said in the email that went out that we would do this, so we have to do it.
There you are. You know me very well.
Nice. Jay Bell says, in caps, loved every challenge. I've definitely grown as a junior developer. Thank you. Excellent. Yes.
Nice.
Plenty of tigers coming into the chat and some bunny rabbits. So welcome to the bunnies. That's deliberate. Falling hearts in the background. And welcome back to the tigers. Super cool.
Hey.
Also, let us know how many of the 5 challenges you have done.
Ooh, that's a good point.
By putting 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 in the chat. Or I guess maybe 0.
Yeah. Well, 0 is fine as well.
Yes, that will be interesting. And in the meantime, let's get on with this.
Sure.
So,
share the screen.
Oh. Yes. Ooh, share bell's on 5.
Oh, wow.
Nice.
Congrats.
Lots of 5. I
wow.
couldn't do the grammar corrector. Quite tricky. Yes, I agree.
Is it? I forgot what the challenge is about, actually. I mean, I know the premise, but...
It's the final round, or I can participate now, asks Arpit. Well, the competition entries have closed. However, you can find the challenges here. You can do them just for fun. And there will be more challenge weeks, which will appear on this same page in the not too distant future. So keep an eye on it. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, so let's have a look at this. What's the challenge?
Yeah, what is the challenge?
Write the JavaScript to grab the message from the paragraph and correct its capitalization.
Oh, okay.
And just for clarity, it should read Valentine.
Okay. Yeah.
Render the correct message into the DOM.
Okay.
Oops. So, thoughts on how to do this?
Well, yeah, let's grab a message and then correct this grammar.
Yes.
Yeah.
Let's put this here. What do we have in the HTML? Paragraph, which has an ID of paragraph, and a button.
So it really literally just corrects capitalization. We're not doing any fancy, semantic correction or anything. Basically, we're not rewriting Grammarly, like clone Grammarly in an hour.
We got to start small. There is a stretch goal of add the functionality to correctly capitalize multiple words.
Ooh.
So maybe we'll have a look at that.
Very interesting.
Yes.
Yeah, let's have a look at that as well. Cool.
By the way, we will be announcing the winner towards the end of this stream, if you're wondering.
Yeah.
But we thought we'd do some challenge solving first, as is our Friday night tradition.
So we're not entering the competition because it's already closed. So if we solve this now, that won't count.
No, it won't.
Okay. Oh well. Otherwise, like one of the prizes is a review with me, and I love talking to myself.
Yep, you can review yourself.
Yeah, I love talking to myself.
Anyway,
cool.
Gotta grab. Actually, put an event listener on the button, I reckon. So, that's already got one actually.
Yep.
So we don't need to do that. And instead, I'm going to do const paragraph equals, and then this document dot get element by ID paragraph.
I think you should probably move it into the correct function, so you grab the latest text.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's now going to get this. So, thoughts on how to convert it into the right capitalization?
Yeah, I think the easiest one is obviously you never know what capitalization there is. So going like letter by letter. The first approach will be like straightforward, right? So you capitalize the first letter, and then you look at every following letter to try to see which it is, and then correct it. But I think you can probably just kind of circumvent all that and say, put everything to lowercase and then just capitalize the first one.
Why do you need to put everything to lowercase first?
Because you kind of go through, like instead of doing a for loop and then deciding is this uppercase or lowercase, and then correct if needed, you can just do one loop, put everything to lowercase, and that will kind of normalize the whole string.
Yeah.
So now then you know that everything is lowercase, and after that you just make the first one into an uppercase, and that's it. You're done.
Okay.
Let's do that.
All right. console. This is just to check that.
I mean, we can probably write the solution into console log so you can see the whole thing.
Well, no.
So just dot text.
Yeah. Dot text.
Content.
Valentine's.
Cool.
So you're proposing now.
Paragraph dot. Oh, you can just write it on the thing. Inside of console log, just continue on it.
Oh, I see.
So paragraph dot. I think it's 2 lowercase.
Yeah.
Call the function. Because that's just referencing the function. So also.
Oh, right.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
And then you basically can just grab the first letter and uppercase it.
So how do you grab the first letter then?
Paragraph 0, you can access, because every string in JavaScript is basically an array, so you can access it with 0 element.
Paragraph? What, like?
Yeah.
Dot.
To uppercase. To locale uppercase.
Oh.
Probably just uppercase.
Yes.
Call the function.
Yeah, but that hasn't added anything on, has it? We now need to add this.
Well, you basically
mean?
do it, and then you update the text content in the end. So.
Oh, I see. So
Yeah.
what, like text content dot, like paragraph dot text content. No.
What? Sorry, say that again.
What are you trying to do?
Call the function on line 6.
Yeah. Michael, I'm having a lack of clarity around what it is you're trying to achieve
see.
here.
So I just want turn like that, and then just do that. Okay, it doesn't mutate it. Cool. So let's say let corrected equals paragraph to lowercase.
Mm-hmm.
And then we'll just say,
I mean, that should be let lowercase paragraph. Let all lowercase paragraph.
and then we'll just replace that. And then see.
Yeah, now you've only, yeah.
Okay, Michael, don't be lazy. First.
I think we might be going down the wrong route here, Michael.
It's fine. Plus.
That's what we're trying to do. Michael
So then
and that.
with.
Look, Michael.
Michael
I can
never just finish anything.
Paragraph equals paragraph 0 dot to up. Is that what we want?
Yes.
I think we need.
No, that is what you want. Because
So
you
then
see,
we're just going to have the same
to
as.
uppercase returns what it has been uppercased on, so it's only the first letter.
Okay.
I mean, I was kind of going down I was trying to go down the non-mutating existing values route, but I think it would be easier just to go down the simple where you have, yeah, let's just go down that. Add the paragraph. Then we can go paragraph to a lowercase, and then as, yeah, keep it simple. And we'll just do that. And now we can just see if paragraph has been unknown error.
Error, unknown error.
Grab the text content. let's go into here. Cannot assign read-only property 0. Valentine's. Let paragraph to lowercase. Is that why it's erroring? So typo cannot assign read-only property 0 of string Valentine's. So that has been lowercase, and then, oops, sorry. Yes, missed it. There we go. So yeah, I was trying to replace letter, well, only single V with the whole string. So now let's see if that works. Okay, now we've got something else. Still the same.
I don't think this is the right route, Michael.
Well, let's just bottom it out and see where that gets us. Let me. Oh, it looks like I can't really. No, what? Okay, Valentine's. Cool.
Okay.
Okay,
That's
now it's
that.
lowercase.
Yeah. We just need a capital.
Okay, and now we are getting the error.
Amadeus R. Although you can access indexes in text, I
Huh.
think you can't really change it. You
Oh,
would need
yes.
to make it an array. Erosion says you cannot
Oh,
mutate
yeah.
strings via string not equals something.
Which yes, you
Is
can't.
why? What, Michael?
We don't know the answer.
Yeah, I know we do, but I already knew the answer. So, previously, I had...
So you will just mush up the two of them. As in,
No.
you'll just do like, basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this, like the first letter, right? If you can't replace letter individually, you'll just grab the first one and then concatenate it with the rest of it. See, the habit of not mutating values actually served me right. I would have avoided that bug, but oh well. Anyway, and then we are presumably going to do, what is it? Like slice, and then.
No, that's what we want. Because you need to cut off from the second letter to the end of it.
Right.
So paragraph.length. Okay.
And then you'll get that.
Yeah. Oh, another way of doing it is instead of this, you can put to lowercase on here. Why?
You need to call that function.
Yeah.
Well, basically, yeah.
Elegant. So, just to run through what's going on in this code then, Michael.
Yeah, let me just clean it all up.
Kind people watching.
But we also need to presumably replace paragraph with it.
And we also need to then display it in the DOM because we haven't done that yet.
There's a leftover brace over here. Yeah, so you'll need to, let's say, can you not just, oh, you have to do that, actually. You have to say, I wonder, like, if you had, say, so does it mean that I have to reach out to this once again, grab it once again, and then replace the text content once again? Can I just replace the existing one?
No, because you need to tell it to put it in again. Otherwise, there's no reason for it to change.
Oh, I see. So in that case, we need to split this up. All right. So now once I have the text, I'll just rename this. Right. And now oops, not text. I need to correct it. Okay, yeah, there. Cool. Yeah, makes sense.
So to recap.
Oh yeah. So we grab the element, but we don't want to save the text content because we'll need to then trigger the update again. So we basically store it in a separate variable. Uppercase the first one. Leanne came up with this one-liner that you basically take the first letter and then you take the rest of the text and put it to lowercase. That's actually pretty good. Yeah. And then basically paragraph text content, we replace it with the corrected value.
Yes, so that's how.
Yeah.
We have solved it. There's one way of doing it. Yes.
Yeah, there are many ways of doing it, I suppose.
This is what Mohammed was saying earlier. Strings are immutable in JS, which was our problem. Yes.
Correct.
Nemo Coder. You might be able to do it using CSS by using text transform capitalize. I did it similar to Leanne and Michael. However, yes. Well, that is an interesting one because when I made this challenge, I didn't consider the possibility of using CSS. So I was talking, oh look, I had some hints and we could have looked at the hints. Always remember to look at hints, people. Grab the message with text content, separate it into first character and remainder, and use, that should be to uppercase and to lowercase, just to show you the original suggested solution I came up with. Michael, what do you think of this? Grabbing the paragraph from the DOM and then saving its text content into a string. That could have been into one line really, but you know. Const's first character equals string 0 to uppercase. Const's remainder is basically what we did. So from the second letter to the end is in lowercase. And then concatenating them together.
Pretty good.
That was what I originally thought of. However, we could do it with CSS, and that would look like, so we're grabbing that.
CSS?
Well, and JS, not just CSS.
Right.
Actually, maybe you could just do it. But if you want to use the button, it would have to be with JS, obviously. So let's, paragraph equals document.element ID, paragraph.text content, and then paragraph dot class list. Why is it not having it?
Dot styles. Styles, and then
no, that's not what I want.
Because you're already grabbing text content. I think what you want is just grab an element.
It's not. I do want the text content.
Do you?
Don't I?
No, I think to apply CSS, you want to.
No.
You want the element. So
paragraph dot class list.
Okay.
Dot add. Corrected. And then what we can do, similar to something I saw previously. Who was it that said it? Oh, it's already on the screen. Nemo Coder. You might be able to do it using text transform capitalize. So, corrected. Capitalize. Okay, let's give that a go.
Yeah, I think what that does, it inverts the values.
Is it?
Actually, no, it just capitalizes the first letter.
Okay.
So it won't do the whole string.
But that's okay, because what we can do is, what is it, first? I think it might be first child. Might be uppercase. And then someone sent in a way of doing this with CSS, which I will now try to find.
I swear, I think this is probably the first case where
Here we go.
you can do it with JS is the correct answer.
Luchetto came up with this. Said, first letter. Makes sense. Text transform uppercase. So, that's that.
I think that's a double colon.
That did work. Look, watch the V. But we need to make the rest of it lowercase. But that, I think, is just a simple corrected lowercase. Let's give that a go.
Oh, that's already done.
Has worked.
Wow.
Yay!
Hang on a second. So if you go into HTML file and change that to Happy Valentine, will that work?
No, I think it is only the first letter of the whole string it's going to do.
I know, make H incorrect. Yeah, okay.
It only does the first one.
Yeah, so it doesn't.
But doing separate words was the stretch goal, so we're not going to worry too much about that. Yeah.
Yeah, so you would need, presumably you would need JavaScript to do that as well.
Yes.
Okay.
Radu says, this is a good example of the fine line between CSS and JS. Technically, you would only use CSS for styling and JS only for interaction.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Wow. It does feel like literally the only case where if you can do it with CSS, you probably should.
Julish, how do you get to the next slide in Scrimba without watching the video? You can use your arrow keys for that.
Yeah, on the keyboard. Yeah.
Yeah.
Left and right.
Besides that, doing it through JavaScript is more reliable. You can apply it to user inputs and without needing to update the page. Yeah.
Yeah. Well.
What does Helen say? Corrected wordlist.push corrected word message to correct value equals corrected wordlist.join.
Yeah. They're basically Helen here solves the stretch goal.
Yeah. Yes. Fabulous.
Yeah.
How about convert it to lowercase, update the DOM, then use CSS text transform capitalize. Is that cheating or lazy or both?
Ooh, actually, yeah. Hang on a second. Go to CSS.
Or is it efficient?
Yeah, go to CSS and change instead of uppercase, say capitalize. No, sorry, no, yeah, not the correct, the next one. Yeah, capitalize. But not the first letter, the whole thing.
No, that was this one, Mike.
No.
Yes, it is.
Right. Yeah, well, no. Go back. Oops. Oh no. So we're like, this is lowercase, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's
That just overrides
yeah, it just
it.
overrides it.
But anyway, there are many ways of achieving the same thing. Some better than others, as we have discovered.
Oh, well, if I just Google, capitalize every letter. Sorry.
Without JS.
Capitalize every word every twice. No Excel, not Python. With CSS.
Oh,
How do you go? It's every word in CSS. Okay, there we go.
I don't think you can.
Text transform, okay. Well, just give me the answer. Okay, I'm not sure I saw that there.
CSS text transform property, W3 schools.
Where's that?
There. But I don't think it can be done, Michael.
It must be. It must be.
No, you can use inherit. Yeah. Anyway, let's move on.
Wait, let me see the demo.
Wait.
Just click on the... fair enough, that's it. I've gone through it.
Many
No.
nice solutions. Thank you. The next challenge we're going to do.
I think it got done. Sorry. I think it could be done.
Which one would you like to do?
I think you want to do the stretch goal, no?
No. Maybe this.
Customize API?
Yes.
Okay.
Did you know Scrimba has a hex colors API made by Frodo?
What?
It's true. Here it is.
Right, okay.
Yes. And what we need to do is retrieve one random color and use that color to update the background of this little dooley here. Excited?
Yeah. But how does the API work?
In broad terms, or?
Oh no, is there a docs page for it, or how do you? Well, is it like just a get on hex colors and that's it?
Yeah.
How do you request the color?
Like this. Read it. Let response equals await fetch, and then we gotta do this. But this has
because when you requested
many, I don't
color,
know exactly how many.
when you requested the color,
So
it was
we'll
empty array.
just get count equals 1.
Oh, I see.
And then
So you just ask for how many colors you want.
let data equals await response .json.
Call it.
Keep getting that bit. I don't really know why.
Anyway.
And then let color equals data dot colors.
Yeah.
No, the first one, which actually will be the only one, dot value. I hope this will work.
I mean, if you just paste that URL into the browser, that will do the GET request for you.
Well, that will tell us what's going to be spewed out, yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
So you get colors,
We get this, yeah,
and then you get an array,
which is this.
which contains objects. So basically you go first, so if you go back to the scrim,
Oops. This is what you get if you
ask for a lot.
ask for 15, yeah. What if you don't put any there? Well, that's what we already typed in. I don't really understand why it doesn't show them all, but it doesn't, so yeah. Anyway, let's see what that's doing.
Yeah.
Console dot color.
Yeah. Okay.
8DF2E, no less.
I know that one. My favorite.
And then body equals document dot body. Nice, easy way to grab the body without putting an ID on it or anything. So you can just do body dot what's this right? Yeah, style dot background color. I never remember if this is equals or no, I don't think it is. I think it's this.
Oh, really? It's a function.
Maybe it is equals.
Yeah. Must be a property.
Equals color. Okay. Yes. Wait. So that's simple enough.
Cool. What was the stretch goal?
Well, the stretch goal. Oh, look, it's Valley and Valentine and McValentine. Excited.
Sorry, who?
Valley
And
Valentina McValentine. That's who.
You named those emojis?
Yep. They are, and this is
official mascots of the Valentine.
Leanne McValentine. Add the option to change the heart, the color of the heart. I mean,
something tells me that Meowentine Mike Valentine has gone to some private school, just based on the name.
Funny. I didn't do the stretch goal of today's challenge. How do you guys replace your users' messages in this chat? Is that to us? We just type it, or we just answer.
Yeah, but if it's not to us, you can just like type @nickname and then press enter, and it will highlight on your screen.
Can't it will still be easier for doing the stretch goal for the heart color challenge at the same time? Getting the heart to change color was really tricky. Yes, indeed, which is why I made it a stretch goal, so I wouldn't have to come up with a suggested solution.
Right, so it's the suggested solution.
The heart,
right,
is this.
Oh, I now have that song in my head. All of that. Bam, bam, bam.
Michael often gets the lyrics to songs wrong, so
yeah,
it's quite likely that it doesn't actually even contain the word heart.
Really?
Yeah.
What is that song?
Well, I don't know. But anyway.
I think it is Follow Your Heart.
Cunt's
Is that an
Heart.
Australian band?
Let's not get into Australian bands. We had a discussion the other day about whether or not the Bee Gees are Australian.
They are.
They're not.
They're as Australian as AC/DC.
They're not Australian. They were born on the Isle of Man.
Oh, they were born on the Isle of Wight.
Well, even if they were, they still wouldn't be Australian. Anyway.
Yeah, but it's an Australian band. You know, it's like Queen is British band, even though
Michael,
Freddie Mercury. You know what I mean?
I'm not getting into
Not all music is British, you know.
So we have changed the background color. So now, watch. Actually, no, I don't need to do that. This. We'll copy this down, and then heart. Okay, so you might think, yeah, that'll do it. You would be wrong.
That looks like an ice cream cone.
If you had this problem, put an ice cream cone into the chat.
Is that purposeful?
No. The reason this is happening...
because heart is made of multiple classes to make it styled like that.
Well, it's one heart, but it's one element, but it's using the before and after.
Oh, I see. So
Anyway.
actually what you want to do, judging by the CSS, is somehow update the CSS variable. Can you do that? Because both of them have background color, the white here and white there. So if somehow, like, if you rename this CSS variable to like heart color.
Ashok says, I used inherit in background color for pseudo elements.
Yeah.
If that works, I will be over the moon. Let's have a look. Oh my word, it works.
Wow, there you are. Perfect.
Wow, a simple one-line change. Amazing.
Wow, nice one.
Well done to you, Ashok.
There you go. Now we know who knows CSS.
Look, many people have had the same problem.
Many ice creams.
Yes. Wow,
Yes.
that is amazing. Somebody
One ice cream.
send Ashok an ice cream.
2 scoops. Yeah.
I probably shouldn't flick that too much. I don't want to cause any problems. Anyway,
Cool.
did you do already the emoji filter? Not yet. Let's do that next.
What's the emoji filter?
Filter duplicate emojis challenge. So this is what we've got, a collection of romantic Valentine's emojis.
Okay.
And what we want to do is, as Valentine says, write the JavaScript to filter out all the duplicate emojis and render only one of each emoji in unique emojis P, which is this.
So are all of these emojis the Valentine emojis, or are some of them not Valentine emojis?
They're all Valentine emojis.
Like the puppy emoji, how is that a Valentine emoji?
Well, you might,
I suppose,
you
yeah,
might
it
give
does make
someone
sense.
a puppy for Valentine's Day. You shouldn't, because puppies are not to be given as gifts unless you're a committed puppy owner.
Right. Yeah.
But anyway,
Like
vaguely
cats.
romantic things, okay?
Yeah, vaguely. Okay.
And we want to render one of each one.
Render one of each one. How interesting.
Yes. So what are your initial thoughts on this?
I want to use a filter function just because it makes sense semantically to use filter. But I am also thinking filter kind of works when you know what you're comparing against. So you have that way. If you're on, but this can change. Yes, filter. Anyway, there you go.
JavaScript array filter.
That JS filter reminded me how once when I was working at the factory, somebody pranked me to order grease elbow at suppliers, and I did it.
You mean elbow grease?
Yes, elbow grease. Yes. So apparently JS filter is a real thing as well. Yeah, what was that? Anyway, yeah, so basically you see like you have a function, but it does return, you basically have to compare something against. So because it's a dynamic, so it's basically the only thing is uniqueness, you probably need to do it in a different way. You can probably you can do a for loop that basically adds an item to an array. If it's already in the array, you don't add any more, or you just use a set.
You can use a set.
I think set is basically like when you create a set, it filters duplicates for you.
JavaScript set. Why is this so small?
Don't know.
Anyway, W3 schools.
There you go.
A JavaScript set is a collection
of unique values.
Each value can only occur once in a set. A set can hold any value of any data type.
There you go.
Okay. So we're going to do something.
So you basically need to create a new set. That's it. Pass and can you show me the code again? Oh, you already have. What is that? 4 emojis of emoji. All emojis P. Where is that? Oh, okay. Text content plus equals emoji. I see.
It's just looping through the emojis.
Oh, I see. So it basically just updates that upper box with all the emojis.
It's rendering them basically, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So in that case, filter duplicates should just grab the unique emoji paragraph, which is the bottom box, empty box, and then just put the set into it. Right?
Yeah.
Cool. Well, let's do that.
Well, they've been grabbed here already.
Okay. Yeah. Well, then.
So we can move this here.
Sure. Yeah.
And then post unique emojis equals new set
And pass emojis into it.
emojis being
Yeah.
the array of emojis.
Yeah.
Let's see what that's doing.
Oh, this is honestly like the human rights need to be involved with this.
You've got bigger fish to fry, Michael.
Yeah, and that one. Thank you. Yeah, awesome.
Set.
So it just gives me a new set.
But that is an object. Is it an object? No, it looks like an object.
Have we passed it in?
What do you mean? Yeah.
Was it empty?
I don't think it is empty. I think the console's just not showing.
Oh, I see. So yeah, if you just open. Okay. So it's just a Scrimba console doesn't show it.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Cool. Because I was like, what? Cool. Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
So that is one of each of the emojis.
There you go. Perfect. Well, then just
basically want to do a for loop to render that. Let emoji of unique emojis. Unique emojis P. Dot text content plus equal emoji.
There you go.
Sweet. Amazing. So that is JavaScript sets in a nutshell.
Oh, nice.
However, it's not bugless because if you press the button again,
it will do it again. Yes.
So is there a quick fix for that?
Well, you're basically appending the emojis again and again, but you probably...
I can think of a quick fix.
You probably don't want to do that.
If unique emojis P is not an empty string, return.
Yeah.
Else, do all this.
Well, I mean, you return, so you don't really need else, so it should be fine.
What do you mean, just...
Yeah, because you return from the function. The rest of it won't execute.
Let's give it a go. Error, unknown error.
And then that 28, 29 as well. And 28.
Stop it.
Return semicolon. Yeah, let's have a look at the console. What does it say?
Cannot access unique emojis P before initialization.
Oh, right, yeah.
That's in the wrong place.
Yeah. Okay.
Still cannot access unique emojis P before initialization.
No, I think that's an old... Yeah, that error doesn't appear anymore. Oh, hang on. Unique emojis P...
yeah, this is the wrong thing, I think, because it's never an empty string.
Dot text content.
Yeah, but I still don't think that's going to work. Oh, no, it does.
There you go.
Lovely.
Sounds good.
Yes, I would say so.
Okay.
Solution says add 0. Turn the set into an array, then use join.
I do think that someone... Ooh, there you go. Milosh says that instead of concatenating, you can just say equals.
Yeah,
So.
that would have been easier. But actually, I'm not sure that would work because we've got this. We need plus equals here, don't we?
No, you can just replace it. Basically, plus equals means added.
We'd only have one emoji if we did that.
No. Oh, I see. Right. Instead of hang on, let me just give something else a go. So instead of looping,
Michael,
wait
as
a
interesting as this is, we've only got 8 minutes left and we need to.
Oh no, yeah, we need a winner. Anyway, obviously, I think you can do just like spread the array into it. I think that would work.
Yeah. Spread keyword. Okay, so I think it's time for a change of music. Dance pop.
Dance pop.
Because we're going to select the winner. Yes.
Oh, this music is so fun. Anyway, time for a change of glasses, I guess.
Yep.
Oh boy.
Get the good glasses out, but I won't put mine on yet because I need to look at the spreadsheet.
Wow.
Are you having a
I see the world.
existential realization?
I see the world through red tinted glasses.
Perfect.
Yeah. It's almost as good as rose tinted glasses, but with a bit less optimisticity. Is that a word?
No.
Optimism. That's the word.
I can now reveal that there are 1,609.
What?
Well,
1,000?
actually 1,608 tweets
Okay.
with solutions.
Does that include Discord submissions? Or
No, it was Twitter only.
okay.
So we are going to.
Oh, so to qualify, you have to submit it on Twitter.
Yes.
Okay.
We are going to select a random number. This is so hard to do with these glasses.
Yeah.
Oh, what am I doing? No, don't do that. Ah! Okay, it's fine. Random
Oh, wow.
number generator.
Where did you get these? How do people walk like that?
I don't think you're meant to like just wear them on the day to day, but
Okay.
that reminds me of one time we went to the leisure centre to sign up for the gym, and the woman behind the desk was acting completely normal, but she had her glasses, like normal reading glasses, on her head like this, but for some reason she blue tacked 2 like pieces of paper with eyes printed on them. She didn't say anything about it. She was just there with these eyes stuck onto her glasses, and it reminded me of this.
Ah, right.
When Homer Simpson does jury duty and he paints eyes on his glasses.
Right, so he can sleep. Yeah.
Anyway, I digress. 1,609.
8, you said.
Yeah, because well, no, actually we will do 9 because that will give me the right number.
Right.
So upper limit 1,609.
Okay.
Get ready, Michael.
Okay. I am. Oh,
Go to select the winner.
let's go. Before my eyesight gives up. Okay, congratulations, 1179.
Let's find out who that is and verify.
1179.
Michael, we need to verify that it is this verbal tweet and everything. And
Command G.
I don't think you can do that in Excel.
You can.
Can you?
Yeah.
No, you can't, Michael.
Okay, you can.
What is it? 179. Oh, the tension.
Oh, it's not 1079. It's 1179. 100. 1179.
This one. Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Verifying. I'm gonna have to remake this video. Crikey. Okay.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's a day 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. So far, so good.
Sure.
Hooray. But now, just Michael, I know what I'm doing. Checking that they haven't tweeted the same thing.
Some due diligence. Oh, basically, you're checking that it's not being tweeted out too many times.
Yes.
That's disqualifying.
Which it has not. So,
Just once.
I can now reveal that the winner of
I'm actually getting used to these.
I don't think that's a good thing.
No.
I nearly said JavaScriptmas then, but it's not JavaScriptmas. It is the very first Scrimba Challenge week. It's Daryl Co. Amazing.
And Pumpkin at the back is also clapping.
And this is Daryl's Day 2 solution.
Congratulations to Daryl Co.
Pumpkin. I choose you.
Oh.
Love, Kitty.
Oh, sweet. Nice.
So, Daryl has won. I need to find the... Oh, actually, it's in here.
Whew.
Daryl has won. A free subscription for 1 year of Scrimba Pro. Nice. $250 cash prize and a job ready review with you, Michael, where you will look at three skills and job hunt checkout.
Cool. Looking forward to meeting you, Daryl.
Please email help@scrimba.com to claim that prize.
Woohoo!
Michael,
there you go. He's in the chat.
Really?
Oh, looks like it.
Where?
I think somebody tagged.
I don't think so.
No? Oh well, if you're in the chat, feel free to leave your message.
Michael Lewis says it doesn't capitalize the names, but that was not a prerequisite?
No, I don't think so.
Minimum viable product. Yes, well done to you, Daryl, as Ablazer says. Some party times. Coming into the chat. Cool, yeah. So that's it. There you go. Oh, yeah, I need to. Help@scrimba.com is the place to email to claim those prizes. Amazing stuff.
Nice.
Thanks for these challenges, Scrimba. Peace out. It was a joke. Yes, good. I thought so. Can you tell all the winners? Yes, I can. That is a good idea, in fact. Oh no, I did do it today. I just didn't.
So we're announcing multiple winners today?
No.
No? Oh, the tweet has been announced.
Yes.
I see.
The first winner was Odzilla, who is here in the chat, actually, with a nice little solution. I'm going to have to go back and find them. One moment. Here is Scrimba's Twitter page.
Yeah, and all the winners are announced there.
They were, yeah. So Feb 16th. Odzilla. And this is Odzilla's solution for the first challenge. Oh, yeah, this is very nice. Strawberries, taxi, that means calculate.
Oh, wow.
Confetti.
Nice.
Extremely. And animated bow. That was
very good.
A lovely solution from Odzilla. And then on to day 2. Scrolling up was Jake X Code. Yeah. With another lovely solution. Greeting will go here. Yep. Custom greeting, which was a stretch goal.
Ooh.
Let's do this. From me. And then a nice little button with a heart on it. Yeah. Oh, look at it go. Cute. And then you can send another one.
Ooh, very nice.
Very creative solution.
Yeah, very nice.
Yes. And then on to day 3. Chelsea D. Stone was the winner. With this one. A nice, simple solution.
What do you get for the daily winners?
The daily winners got 1 year of free Scrimba Pro.
Oh, wow.
Look at, how did they do this one? Paragraph.new HTML, message 0 to uppercase, plus message slice 1.join. And then, so similar to your approach, made everything lowercase.
Yeah.
Split off everything apart from the first letter.
Well, they basically split it into an array, then replaced that first element to the top, and then tagged on the rest of it.
Yes.
Yeah, fair enough.
Lovely. On to day 4. Let's close some tabs. I'm not like you, Michael. I can't deal with lots of open tabs.
Oh yeah, I have thousands.
Did I not announce? I'm sure I announced it. Surely someone would have said if I haven't. Or maybe that was the one. Oh, no. Yeah, so the one we announced today was the day 4 winner.
Right.
That was 17.
There you go. So that's day 4.
Filtered duplicate emojis with this lovely
Oh wow, you can even sort them.
animated gradient background filter
Nice.
and sort. Good.
Oh, you sort all of those. Ah, very good.
Sort. Very nice solution indeed. Yes. And then Daryl's was the winner today of this one. Yes.
So basically, day 5 is like the grand winner.
Well, yeah, but now I'm thinking about it, we haven't actually chosen a winner of the day 5 challenge. That will come on Twitter. I would try to do it now, but I'll mess it up if I do that. So keep an eye out on Twitter.
Oh, so there is one lucky person who's still there.
Yes.
Who will get a whole year
Yes.
of Scrimba.
Correct.
Cool. Because Daryl already has a whole year of Scrimba.
Yes.
250
We have not yet
and
selected a winner from day 5, so that will be coming soon to Twitter.
Nice one.
Do you have a plan to implement a volume button for Scrimba? If already there, where is it? It's already there, I believe. I'm sure it is, isn't it? Doubting myself now. Let's go to the career path and have a look. Let's check out Bob Cyril in here.
Yeah, there's a cog, and you can do a volume there.
Yeah.
You can even do a speed, and if you do it real fast, everyone is going to sound like a chipmunk.
Not always. If they're published, then they shouldn't sound like chipmunks.
Oh, okay.
I don't understand English, but I love to see people programming. Lovely. I like the randomness. It encourages participation. Yes, exactly. That's the idea we have, because when we've done competitions in the past, if some people are really, really amazing, which they always are, then it's difficult to encourage other people that might be newer or even slightly less amazing to get involved. And we want as many people to get involved as possible, hence the random prize giving. Yes, thanks, Leanne and Michael. My glass is always half full, except for the contest. Yes.
Yeah.
How is this comment displaying on your screen? Oh, special live streaming software called StreamYard. Yes. Yeah. When's the next one? Not too far away. It's already in the pipeline. So yes, keep an eye out on Scrimba for the next challenge week. Well, that is it. Thank you all for coming and taking part in this challenge week. It has been a lot of fun, hasn't it, Michael?
Yes.
Brilliant.
Very good.
Actually, yes.
Actually, I'll take these classes off.
That's
really going to spoil my eyesight.
To tell you about, which is if you have been wondering how to use Figma.
Ooh.
I have invited Kevin.
Actually, I have.
Hannes from Twitter to teach us all about it. So next Wednesday, join us for Figma 101. Yes.
Oh, that's very nice.
All right. Thank you very much, Leanne and Michael. Learned a lot during these challenges. That is excellent.
So do we, actually.
Yeah.
All the time.
Tune in next Friday. We will be coding something else. Haven't decided what yet, but something.
Yes.
And hope to see you all there. Have a great weekend, everyone.
See you later, everyone.